Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. So today's video topic is if the battery icon is not showing the taskbar on your laptop. In this video, we are going to quickly fix this issue. So the first step you can try is right click on the taskbar, then click on this option taskbar settings. Now on the left side, click on this taskbar. Now on the right side, scroll down and you will see the option in the notification area. Select which icon appears on the taskbar, click on it. Now here you will see the option of power. Simply enable this option and now you can see the battery icon is showing here. So you can enable or disable your battery icon from here as well. Now move on to our next step. If you are still getting the same issue, your laptop battery icon is not showing. In the next step, we are going to run the troubleshooter. For this, in the search box, type troubleshoot. You will see the option of troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Now click on this additional troubleshooters. Now here scroll down and you will see the option of power. Click on it. And this is the option we need. Run the troubleshooter. So this will try to identify and fix the issue related with the battery. Wait for a few seconds. And you can see all the errors are fixed. So you can also run the troubleshooter as well. Now move on to the final part of the video. Check the drivers. So right click on the Windows icon. Then click on this option device manager. Now here you will see the option of batteries. Select the batteries option. Expand this option. And these are the two drivers I have. First, disable both the drivers one by one. Simply right click on it. Then click on disable. First disable both the drivers and after that again enable both the drivers. Like this. Okay. After that, if you are still getting the same issue, update both the drivers by right click on it, then click on update driver, then click on search automatically. So this will update your laptop battery driver as well. Do the same thing with the other one as well. And after that, restart your system and check. But if you are still getting the same issue, uninstall both the drivers. Right click on the first one, then click on uninstall device. Uninstall the first one, uninstall the second one as well. Uninstall both the drivers. After that, shut down your laptop, remove your laptop battery, and then again insert the laptop battery and turn on your laptop. This will fix the error and issue related with the laptop battery. This is all for the video. Thank you.